Math in 3 with Mrs. Z.
This video is about evaluating expressions. This video is about evaluating expressions. Evaluating expressions is when we take a number and replace the variable with that number. A variable is a letter or a symbol that's unknown. The most common variable is X, but we can use Y or Z or any other letter of the alphabet. The symbol pi is representing a number 3.14. When we evaluate expressions, there's two steps. We're going to replace the variable with the number that's given, and we're going to use parentheses to do that, and then we'll follow order of operations. Remember order of operations using the PEMDAS. Let's take a look at example 1. Cats eat 3 pounds of food a day and a dog eats 8 pounds a day. There are 4 cats and 6 dogs at the shelter. How many pounds of food will they need to feed the animals? They also let us know to let C be equal to 4 and D equal to 6. So the variable 4 is equal to the variable C is equal to the number 4, and the variable D is equal to the number 6. So when we look at the expression they give us, we're going to leave the 3. Variable C, we put parentheses. Then we have the plus sign. We put the 8. And then we put parentheses for the D. Then I like to go back and fill in the numbers that they're equal to. So C is equal to 4. And D is equal to 6. From there, we just calculate the answer using PEMDAS. So multiplication, then we have more multiplication, then we add these two values together for our final answer. The shelter will need 60 pounds of food to feed the animals. Let's take a look at another example. So here it asks us to evaluate this expression 40 minus d squared plus 3cd. C is equal to -2 and D is equal to 6. So I'm going to copy the problem, putting parentheses every time that I see a variable. There just happens to be 2 variables there, so I put 2 parentheses. Now I go back and I replace D with the number 6. There's 2 of those. And C with the number 2. After that, it's just about calculating our answer. Which would be -32. One last example. We are going to do the same thing. So we have 3 parentheses for the A minus 2 to the third over parentheses for the B. The A is equal to 7. The B is equal to -4. From there, we calculate. And our answer is -13/4. So evaluating expressions is replacing a variable with a number.
This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.